Did you know that you can now edit emails directly inside the Workflow Builder? With this feature update, it is going to allow you to edit email templates directly in the Workflow Builder, eliminating the need to open another tab or leave your workflow. I absolutely love this update and wanted to put a little bit of focus on it today so that you know that workflows are even more simple than before. As far as benefits go, this is going to streamline your workflow. Now your business can edit templates directly within the Workflow Builder. It's also going to improve your efficiency. Now your business can make changes quickly and on the fly to keep your focus on the task at hand. It's also going to simplify editing. This is going to make the process of updating and editing those workflows even more user-friendly, especially if you are starved on time or you're not super tech savvy and want to jump back and forth within the system. As far as practical use goes, this is perfect for the busy business owner juggling everything you do from day to day, and you want to set up an automated email campaign for a new offer. Now you can quickly edit that email template directly within the Workflow Builder, allowing you to craft personalized messages for your customers and quickly launch the campaign without any disruptions to your workflow. And you're also going to speed up your time to that offer deployment. Let me show you exactly where this is and what it looks like. Since this is in workflows, we're going to go to automations, into workflows, and then we're going to create a new workflow. As always, you can pick a template, you can start from scratch, or you can edit one that you already have in progress. So what you're going to see now is under that send email action, things are going to change just a little bit. And here's actually what you're going to see when you go to the view and edit email. Now you can actually click edit. This is amazing because now you can make your edits directly within that workflow action. No need to go into marketing and emails and all of that complicated stuff. You can edit directly within your workflow. You can access that email builder immediately without leaving the area. This way you can make those quick edits. You don't have to leave where you are. You don't have to get sidetracked, and you can move forward with getting this workflow deployed. This new feature improves the overall workflow experience. It's going to make it more efficient and user-friendly for your business, especially if you want to make quick and easy email updates to your marketing campaigns. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.